Drug integrity tests should be conducted on all politicians who intend to run for public office to validate their sanity and prevent hoodlums disguised as statesmen from leadership positions. Those were the submissions of the chairman NDLEA, Brigadier General Buba Marwa, retired at the Ekiti State Attorney General's colloquium with the theme "Walk Away from Drugs." There is more in this report.
The National Drug Use Survey in 2018 reveals that 14.30 million Nigerians aged between 15 to 64 years have used hard substance. This means 1 out of every 7 Nigerians are on drugs. Ekiti State has the least prevalent in the southwest region, and even at that, about 141 persons were arrested between 2018 to 2021 for drug peddling. And government is working hard to synergize with the NDLEA to ensure a drug-free society.
Not a single community in the state today is free from drug abuse. This was why Mr. Governor thought that we should reassess our relationship with the NDLEA, prioritize our response to drug abuse, and begin to enable practical measures in response to this growing problem.
This month, Attorney General's colloquium in Ekiti State seeks to find a sustainable solution to issues of drug abuse, especially among youth and security officers. A point of concern for this traditional ruler is a noise about arrests and bogus numbers of confiscated items, but little is heard of prosecution and due punishment for offenders.
Punishment is to serve as deterrence to the criminals. But when it is not being seen as wrong, when I steal today and I get away with it, and nobody, even if you deal with me, nobody heard about it, that encourages others because they don't know.
At this colloquium, the interactive session bothers on security agents who themselves operate under the influence of drugs and politicians that are addicted to hard substances. The NDLEA boss says drug integrity tests should be carried out on public officers.
Politicians who are running for public office will also plan to engage them using the drug integrity tests. The political office is very serious business. If we are able to make sure that drugs are not available and they are not accessible in Nigeria, the criminalities will fall by 50%.
Discussion about drug abuse goes beyond the arrest of drug offenders by drug and law enforcement agency. It is also about providing that rehabilitation for those who have been caught in the web of drug abuse over the years. Ayomide Ajay, TVC News, Ekiti.